y'all, I'm about to show y'all how I get my maximum length out of my lashes, because my lashes are already long. As you can see, these are my natural lashes, and to get the natural length out of them, I take some of my castor oil, because when I'm doing my makeup, I'm sure my lashes are like really dry, so I use this to kind of give them some moisture and make them pop a little bit more. Don't mind that pimple on my chin, y'all. I'm just out here trying to live my best life. I'm gonna take my Colossal Volume Express by Maybelline. You can use whatever kind you want, it's really up to you. This just is what I had on hand. And then I take this again with the leftover oil that's on it. And kind of separate them a little bit more. Because they are really clumped together. So yes, y'all, it gave me more like a, this side is really popping. This side, hold on, let me add some more. That's better. So yeah, y'all, look at them lashes. Them lashes fire.